Did you know that you can grade offline through the MyMint app? With offline grading in the MyMint app, instructors who are constantly on the go don't need to worry about having a strong internet connection to perform their job efficiently. To perform offline grading, you need to first download the forms on the MyMint app while you're still connected to the internet. Tap on the cloud icon for any form that needs to be graded offline to download the form data. You will know you've successfully downloaded the form when the download icon turns blue. All downloaded forms are stored locally in your device. To sign off on forms offline, tap the form that you've downloaded and select Open. Now you can see that you still have all the same grading capabilities that you would have had if you were filling out the form online. Once the internet connection is restored, changes made to the offline forms will be synchronized. Now you can get your grading done anytime, anywhere.